Here we have a sad math question. Okay, let's go over the question. C equals to 100 positive 36 over N. Your barbecue shop is selling handmade necklaces. The cost per necklace C can be determined by the equation above, where N is the number of necklaces made. So there are two questions. What is the total cost of making 6 necklaces? The second question is, if the shop sells each necklace for $150, how many necklaces should be made so that the shop makes a total profit of $564 after all of them are sold? Okay, so actually many students will misunderstand the equation given over here. And in this equation, what does C stand for? So the C refers to cost per necklace, that is cost of one necklace. And some people will understand, if I place an order for N number of necklaces, C stands for the total cost of making N necklaces. Actually, it is not correct. So when you place an order for N number of necklaces, C will give you the cost of one necklace, that is cost per necklace. Okay, so now our aim is to find the total cost of making 6 necklaces. So for that, I have to plug in 6 for N, because here N stands for the number of necklaces. Okay, when I plug in 6 for N, what will I get? So 100 positive 36 over 6. So 6 goes into 6 one time, 6 goes into 36 6 times. So I get C equals to 100 plus 6. So finally I'm getting C equals to $106. So please understand, this is not the total cost of making 6 necklaces. This is the cost of making just one necklace when your order is 6 necklaces. What if your order is 10 necklaces? The cost of one necklace will change. Again, it won't be the same as 1 or 6. So when you make an order for 6 necklaces, the cost of making one necklace is $106. So to get the total cost of making 6 necklaces, we have to multiply this value by 6. So the total cost, to find the total cost of making 6 necklaces, I have to multiply the cost of one necklace 106 by 6. So when I multiply 106 by 6, it will be $636. So the answer for the first question is $636. Okay, now let's do the second question. Okay, the second question is, if the shop sells each necklace for $150, how many necklaces should be made so that the shop makes a total profit of $564 after all of them are sold? I assume X as the number of necklaces the shop must sell to get a profit of $164. X must be the X must be the number of necklaces the shop should make and sell to earn a total profit of $564. Okay, so what is the selling price of each necklace? According to the question information we have in the question 2, the selling price of each necklace is $150. Okay, if the shop sells 2 necklaces, how much money they will get as revenue? $300, because 2 times 150. In case if the shop sells 10 necklaces, how much revenue they will get? $1,500, because 10 times 150. But we have assumed the shop has to sell X number of necklaces so that they will be making a profit of $564. So how much money they will get as revenue by selling X number of necklaces? So that is the price of the selling price of one necklace has to be multiplied by the number of necklaces. So the revenue by selling X number of necklaces equals to 150x. This is the total money they will be getting by sales. Okay, now we have to find the total cost of making X number of necklaces. Already we know that revenue is nothing but the money the shops receives by selling X number of necklaces, where they are selling each necklace for $150. Okay, once I get the total cost of making X number of necklaces, I can subtract the total cost from the revenue. So if I subtract the total cost from revenue, I'll be getting the profit and I'll be able to solve for X. Because my aim is to solve for X, because which refers to number of necklaces the shop has to make to earn a total profit of $564. Okay, to get the total cost, first we have to find the cost of one necklace when the shop makes just X necklaces. So already we know that this equation gives, particularly this C gives the cost of one necklace or cost per necklace when you make N number of necklaces. So what is the cost of one necklace if I make X number of necklaces? So it is given by 100 positive 36 over X. So this is the cost of this expression gives the cost of one necklace when I place an order for X number of necklaces. Okay, so it's very clear this is the cost of just one necklace. Then what is the total cost of X necklaces? So for that we have to multiply the cost of this one necklace by the number of necklaces, which is X times 100 positive 36 over x. Okay, now let's simplify this. X can be distributed to 100, then it will be 100x, and x times 36 over x will be x times 36 over x. Then this x will cancel out. Then I'm getting 100x positive 36. So this is the total cost of making x number of necklaces. Okay, now let's write the equation for profit. Okay, I've written the equation for finding profit. That is profit equals to revenue negative total cost. So the profit already we have in the question, that is $564 equals to the revenue by selling x number of necklaces. The shop gets 150x negative. The total cost is the total cost of making x necklaces is 100x positive 36. We can plug in over here. Okay, now we have to solve this equation for x. Okay, let's simplify the expression on the right side. So 150x. So we can distribute this negative sign to this one. I'll be getting negative 100x. Negative times positive will be negative 36. Okay, let me continue the steps over here. So 564 equals to when I combine 150x and 100x, it will be 50x negative 36. Okay, let's add 36 to both sides. So negative 36 positive 36 will cancel out. So when I add 564 and 36, it will be 600 equals to 50x. Okay, to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 50. This 50 will cancel out. And when I divide 600 by 50, 0 will cancel. 5 goes into 5 one times, 5 goes into 60 12 times. So I get x equals to 12. So when the shop makes 12 necklaces and sells them all, where the selling price of each necklace is $150, the shop will get a total profit of $564. So the answer for the second question is 12.